What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with Tech Daily. So the nice folks over at Casetify heard that I would be picking up the new iPhone XS and XS Max, and they hit me up and asked if it was cool if they could send over a little package. And I said, hell yeah, that would be awesome. Send over whatever you like. And this nicely wrapped up box is what showed up at my doorstep. If you don't already know, Casetify makes really high quality cases for basically every device, from iPhones to Android devices and even iPads and MacBooks. And these aren't like the cheap crappy cases you'll find on Amazon. These are thick, high quality, military grade cases that also come in about a million different designs and styles. Seriously, Casetify's website has probably the largest selection of cases I've ever seen. The two they sent over for me to check out are different styles of their new Impact series case. One of them is a totally clear one they call the Nude design for the larger XS Max, and the other for the regular XS is a clear case with some interesting lines covering the back to give it a unique pattern. And like I said, this is just one of the countless different styles they have to choose from, and I definitely recommend checking out the Casetify website if you want to see them all. The Impact case is a pretty simple clear rubber and plastic style, and the design around back is actually a raised texture. So it isn't like some cheap paint or print they just slapped on it, it's actually another whole element to the case, which is cool. The edges are super flexible, which makes the case really easy to take on and off the phone, while the rest of the case has a rigid design that keeps its shape, but it's flexible enough so that it won't snap or crack under pressure. You can see here that when the case is on the phone, it's certainly noticeable. It's slim enough to not be intrusive, but obviously it has to be a little thicker in order to protect the phone, so the cracked design on the case doesn't match your cracked phone. It's a complete case with edge-to-edge protection, so no gaps or missing corners there. Your buttons on both sides are covered, and the only logo on the case is around the camera cutout on the back, which I can certainly live with, and it kind of gives it a unique style. The raised edge on this case ensures that your screen never touches a flat surface if it's face down, and most importantly, you've got military grade drop protection and impact absorption, so you can toss your phone around or maybe accidentally drop it from a decent height and it'll be totally fine. I personally really like having clear cases on my phones. I like them slim and sleek, and I like being able to see what's underneath. And while I do like the unique design on this one, I think the Nude Impact case is the one for me. Obviously, this one is crystal clear to totally show off that new phone you just spent $1,200 on. The only areas of the case that aren't clear are the edges, and that's because there's actually extra material in there for added drop protection and impact absorption, which will really take care of your phone. And I actually don't mind the look of that because when the case is on the phone, it sort of blends in anyway, and the important part, the entire back of the device, that's still totally viewable anyway. Once again, this is a complete case with a raised edge along the screen and no gaps along the edges or corners, which is pretty much essential for fully protecting the phone. You've also got that same Casetify logo around the camera, which is interesting, and you have easy access to the speaker and lightning port across the bottom. This is definitely the kind of case I would have no problem trusting if my phone takes a spill from a decent height. It's thick, it's sturdy, you can actually see the added impact absorption material right through the case, which is awesome, and both these new Impact cases are totally screen protector friendly. So you can install basically whatever glass screen protector you want on the device, like I have here, and you get 100% protection for the phone. I think along with being excellent cases in general for protecting your phone, the biggest advantage Casetify has on the competition is the selection. There are so many designs and styles to choose from on their website, so if you want a really unique case, or maybe you even want a couple to change it up throughout the week, I think Casetify easily has the biggest selection of designs and styles to choose from. My only gripe about Casetify is I think some of their cases can get a little pricey. The Nude Impact case is available for $20, which is totally awesome, definitely affordable, but some of their more popular designs and styles can get up to $40 or $50. But like I always say, if you're spending over $1,000 on something, I guess you may as well spend a little more and get the best possible case to protect it anyway. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know what you think of these Casetify cases in the comments below. Also, be sure to follow Tech Daily on Twitter and subscribe to the Tech Daily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.